Good day guys, this is Sean from Inigo's channel. Welcome again to another unboxing and review. This time we'll review the Matchbox FlatBed King. So this one is the only one that's in the peg, and I got this around 2 days ago. And when I saw this one, I immediately grabbed it. So let's open the case right now, or the peg. By the way, shout out to Drifter D for his video showing how to open Hot Wheels or Matchbox pegs like this. So again, please open it carefully. So here's the truck. Very cool. Here's the truck. This is the Matchbox FlatBed King. So let's open this one right now. So here it is. A really cool casting from Matchbox. So the window is black. I think this is part of the plastic here. This is not a separate piece. So I've noticed Matchbox is making their windows black and making them part of the plastic of the base. So this one has a very cool colored wheels. You can see here it's blue. This one has a plastic base. So it says here 2017 Mattel, made in Thailand. Here it says Matchbox FlatBed King. So it has tempos at the side. It says Laka. It says here FlatBed King, and wait a minute. I can't read this part because it's too small, but it says here 1074. So I think that's the, it says license 1074. Can you please confirm on that one? It doesn't have front tempos. So the headlight is part of the plastic base. I just wish that Matchbox made front headlight tempos here. It also doesn't have rear headlight tempos. But what's cool with the truck is that the bed is movable. And here it slides. And you can put the car at the back. Wait a minute, I'll get. So let's test this one. This is from Hot Wheels. This one is a 1969 heavyweight made in Hong Kong. So this one will fit at the back. So that's pretty cool. It's a very cool transporter. I can see why collectors are grabbing this one at the store. So let's try another car. So let's try this one from Hot Wheels. This is the Real Rider Jeep Scrambler. Let's see if this fits at the back. So we'll just move the bed slightly backwards. Fits a little, but the wheels, there's a part of the wheel that doesn't fit. So that will do. Again. Very cool. This one, we'll try this one. That's from Matchbox. That's the 95 Chevy custom van. That one fits very nicely. So all Matchbox cars will fit on this Flatbed King. Damn. Look at that. Very nice contrast of colors. How about this one? This is from Matchbox, and this one is the Lamborghini Diablo. So this one is a vintage Diablo. So that one also fits. Pretty cool car. So to put this back, I think you have to raise the front part of the bed slightly upwards, then slide it forward. So that's it. So do you guys love this truck or not? Kindly comment below, and please do like and subscribe my channel. It's called Inigo's Toy Channel. So please keep on collecting, and don't forget again to like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.